Hey, I'm Fish. I got today with me a GoPro Hero 10, black that is. There it is, waiting on the sidelines to get out there, get some shots. I'm shooting on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I picked it back up and I'm using the DJI Mic 2. Well, let me tell you what the weather looks like. Not that great. We left the Ace Pro 2 home by Insta360 with the Insta360 Mic Air. We'll see if we get some shots with the GoPro Hero 10 Black, because if it's like this, it'd be a little grainier than what I'm shooting with right now. No sun, but I'm gonna get to where I need to be at, even though there's no sun. I got my front lights on. That's why you see the sign blinking in and out. What we'll do is we'll switch on over the second half of the video to the GoPro Hero Black 10. Yeah, I said it a little bit differently. I miss the ship. No vessel, no cruise ship. Yep, we arrived, made it here. We got some lights on in the distance. We'll find a spot for a highlight talk and we'll get on going. You get to see what lights look like in this camera. And not all lights do work, do they? I got both cameras on. And our highlight. We'll go out to the pier, get to the end, come out, and give you a nice shot of the area. Well, yeah, man, it does look like a nice day. It'll clear up soon. And I grabbed the GoPro Hero 10 again to have some fun with it. I have a Hero 9 Black that basically gave out. And the Hero 10, I worked all my issues out with that camera. And now I got to work my issues out with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Let's get on going, see what we can be doing. All right, we're on the pier and we're running to the end. It's only about 16 to 20 feet deep from the furthest part. I know, because I dunked my camera in and I measured it every single centimeter. So here we are at the end. You can see the lights still on, playing along. So now we're at the end and we have the GoPro Hero 10 Black going. We'll finalize our vlog with this camera's second half, as is no external audio microphone, all from the camera, and that I must apologize with. So either you're gonna hear me or hear music or just hear wind. Do we got a fish?
You know what's funny?
What do we got? Seaweed. Yes, we do. We got a skate. Those things are scavengers on the floor, skates. Man, you got to be careful with them too. Oh, listen to the waves crashing. Where'd they go? Here's some. We did this with the Action 5 Pro, showing you some lights. And we're back close up to the lights that were lit up that you saw from the distance over here. How's it look with the camera? Hey, come to the shark party. My camera shuts down as I hear the noise and I couldn't turn it on fast enough to see a scooter passing me by. Today's a good ride because I pulled to the right. I stay on the aligned boardwalk and people moved out of my way. Normally I gotta move out of their way 99.9% of the time. All right, our boardwalk is over for today. We're back on the streets with the lights on. And off we go. Well, the Action 5 Pro is sitting on his side right now, feeding the swans. That's like $50 in bread going in the water. Well, we have a final shot of the sunrise finally out, getting you that beautiful shot indeed. Time for me to get on out of here, go enjoy my day, go have some fun editing, see if I'm having a little bit of issues trying to do, you got it, GoPro videos on my machine. And the last number of videos I had issues with, probably software loaded up to the SLV files of YouTube that caused issues. We're celebrating 20 years being on YouTube, but I've been on longer than that with video. I hope you stick around a little bit more, because you never know what the channel has to offer. We come a long way, and I want to thank all my subscribers, followers, YouTube members. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And on that note, it's time for me to get on out of here, go catch up to that e-scooter, that e-bike, and get my day going. Have a great day, everyone. Enjoy. I said I'll catch up. The tortoise and the hare, we're catching.